My prince, I think it's time to go.
Why?
Your father is back.
Is the door locked?
No.
They can come in.
I wonder.
I don't think it's a good idea for them to meet you here like this.
Are you out of your mind?
No, my prince.
Music!
Be fast!
Some days I smile, some days I cry. Oh, there's money be the reason why. Now let me know what's in I go through. But I know it's in if I go through. The problem now money, solution now money. Back the body, go fix it to mommy.
What in heaven's name is going on here? Put that thing out! I said, what is going on here?
Oh, mother-in-law, welcome.
Take your dirty hands off me. Are you okay?
Hey, Mom. What is it?
Jidena, what is the meaning of this?
Why are you always like this? Yeah. Why? It doesn't suit you as a queen. Take a look at my father. He's calm. Very calm. Because he understands everything. Alright?
Mm-hmm. Mom, please calm down. You're always there.
Will you shut up?
Relax.
Who is your mom? Listen, if you don't know who your mommy is or you don't know what she looks like, you tell me and I will draw her for you. Are you mad or something?
I don't think I know her.
Yeah.
You can do me a favor by drawing her.
Jide, I want both of you out of this place now.
Hey, Father, why? Why?
Yeah.
Why? Father, that's a party. You can join us. Just.
I said now.
Okay. Now what will happen now?
What?
We will take this party upstairs in my room.
I think that's better.
Yeah. Okay.
Take her where?
Upstairs.
Ujuma or whatever your name is. Leave this, use the door and leave my house now. Go back to your father.
Mother, she's going nowhere. She lives here.
Jidena, you're pushing me.
My
Jidena, you are pushing me.
my queen. If they say they want to take the party to their room, allow it.
Yes.
And you can't tell her to leave this palace this minute? Okay.
My queen.
Okay.
My queen, just calm down.
Okay.
Just calm down. Eh?
Obum, you're here. And you're busy watching them, enjoying what they're doing, and you can't talk to them.
No, my queen, I tried to stop.
You tried to stop.
Sorry.
You're sorry. Will you get, just take this filthy thing out of this palace this minute.
Mother, we are going nowhere. You know why? Because this is our home. It's our home.
Yes.
So we're going nowhere.
Jidena, I don't want to lose my patience. Take this girl out of this house. My king, say something. Why are you looking? Why are you standing there and watching? Say something.
Jidena, why do both of you always put me in a fix with your mother?
Mother, how can you say something like that? How? Okay, fine. Fine. I understand. You know what, babe? Let's go and continue this party at our usual spot.
Okay, then.
Alright? Adam?
Just get out. Leave. Take this nonsense. Leave.
Mom, take it easy.
Take her out of this house.
Take it easy.
Leave this
We're
minute.
leaving. We're leaving.
Calm down.
See.
Have your eye on them.
Yes, my king.
My queen, you just have to relax. They have left.
They? My king, is it that you see nothing wrong with the relationship of our son with that girl? Can't you see she's gradually killing him? She's destroying his life. He won't go to school. He won't do anything. He's just busy lazing around. Can't you see? You're not saying anything. You're not saying anything wrong with that, my king.
My queen, you know Jidenna has always been like this. Has always refused to go to school. And it has been like that even before they began dating. You know it.
I know. I know that, my king. But my son was never smoking and drinking. It was since that girl came into his life that she destroyed him, that he started misbehaving. You saw it and you saw nothing wrong with that.
Well, because she is my friend's daughter. And I promised her that she's going to marry my son. I promised the father that he is going to be my in-law. And that's the reason she came back.
Came back? Did you say came back or she was deported?
Well, whatever, whether she is deported or not, the only fact there is that both of us agreed that she is going to marry our son and that we have already given our blessings.
Well, that was before I knew she lived this kind of dirty life. But now, I withdraw my blessings.
Well, my queen, as a king, it is not easy for me to go back on my words. As I have said it, so it shall be.
Not when it concerns my son's life. What my son needs is a woman that will take care of him, bring him close and teach him. Not some sort of useless and filthy thing like that girl.
You are trying to assign a job to another woman. A job you are supposed to do, which you never did well.
What do you mean by that, my king?
Well, make out whatever you want to make out of it. That is the truth.
We all know that the children of nowadays, this is the way they behave.
Oh no,
My king.
I know we had an agreement. Yes. But this part is not good for the throne. Can you imagine if I had walked in with elders and other statesmen and then they came in and witnessed what happened? What do you think will be their reaction? Coupled with the fact that so many complaints has come in on how she bullies people in the village. Don't you think that if this continues, they may have an issue with my son taking over from me when I must have joined my ancestors.
My king, never, never. My king, whoever thinks this wishes you death. Yeah? You see, my king, I want you to erase this from your heart. Don't think about this at all. Nothing will happen. Eh? Look, nobody, for as long I remain the owner of this community or this kingdom, nobody will drag that throne with my daughter and your son. Nobody. Nobody.
And when did my son get married that I was not aware of?
My queen, please get in. We are having an important conversation.
That involves my son? Oh no. Your daughter is a very bad influence on my son. Yes, we agreed that both of them will get married. But we never agreed to tie a pact or even swore an oath. We can verbally unsay what we said.
My queen, understand. I know you are angry. But on the issue of dissolving what we agreed, my king, it's not possible. We cannot dissolve what we have agreed. It's not possible. My daughter came back from the States, left all she was doing in the state to come back here to get married. My king, no! We have an agreement.
Is that what you tell yourself to sleep better at night? Oh no, your daughter was deported, in case you don't know. You sent her to school, but she ventured into drugs. Her admission was withdrawn and she came back. They brought her back.
Enough! Enough, I say. Go back to the room. Now!
My king!
I said now.
To know what we should start for dinner.
I want you to make nsala soup for my husband, the king, and then prepare him peppered gizzard, and I peppered snail for appetizer. Speak up! I am not in that mood.
Ma.
What is it? Did you not hear what I said?
I heard what you said, my queen. The thing is, there is no gizzard left.
There's no what?
There is none.
What do you mean there's no gizzard left?
The little queen ordered us to prepare it for her.
The little queen?
Yes, my queen.
And who is this little queen?
Prince Jidenna, wife to be.
How is she the little queen? Who made her the little queen?
That is what she ordered us to call her as the upcoming queen.
Really? And you people addressed her as the little queen? And with that, she finished all the gizzard I have in my fridge without my consent? And you're here telling me the little queen? Who made her the little queen? Just keep quiet and get out. You've said it all. You said she finished all the gizzard. Everything! Nothing left!
It was just one ziplock that was remaining. It was just one. Ma, what are we going to prepare?
have to take things easy. Hmm? You know, I don't like to see you this agitated. What is the problem?
I demand that that girl should stop coming to this house. And please, withdraw whatever arrangement you have with her father regarding this marriage.
What happened?
Do you know she had the gut, the effrontery to come into the royal kitchen and get into my kitchen, give orders to the cook to prepare something from my fridge without my consent? Who does that?
My queen, this girl in question will soon be your daughter-in-law. Hmm? So, what's wrong with that?
That is the problem. You never see anything wrong with this mannerless and senseless girl. Do you even know what she took from the fridge?
No, tell me. Tell me, I'm all ears.
Gizzard. Gizzard! You know, you and I know that gizzard is only eaten by men. And this gizzard is kept specially for you for your appetizer. And now everything is gone. What kind of a mannerless girl is she?
My queen, this gizzard in question is meant for me, right? Let it go. You can look for something else and prepare for me to eat. You know, children of this generation, they're not familiar with all this traditional who is what and all that. So please, can you please let it go?
No, my king. She should learn how to respect boundaries. Who comes to a woman's kitchen and just walk in freely, pick whatever thing she wants in a woman's kitchen without telling her? Every woman knows whatever thing she kept and stores in her kitchen.
Well, what I say here, my queen, is she's only trying to be comfortable in a place she has already regarded as a home. I think that's what's playing out here.
My king, what is wrong with you? What has made you so blind that you cannot see that this girl is not good for our son? What is it? I do not see her being comfortable. I see her being mannerless and senseless. She doesn't have regard for anybody. She is not going to marry my son, and that is it.
Sinolo no rubia Obata no bieze Omu okorobia wefeya ozo Chidena wayana ya fogaraga Kembe ahu Obia kusilizu.
Why did you stop the car? What is it you have to say?
President, I've known you from childhood.
Ah. Oh, boom. Anytime you start sounding like this, a lot is coming. Spill, I'm listening.
Wow. Prince, I'm sorry, but watching her bully that innocent girl, I mean, just claiming because she's lusting after you, that is very, very wrong. Huh? That is not who you are.
You know, women and marking of territories. That she was doing, and you saw it.
Making her sit on the air and making jest of her, that doesn't solve any problem. And by the way, even if she's lusting after you, okay, it's just bullying everybody and everybody's complaining already.
Come on, man, she's not a bully, okay? She's not. Just start the car, let's go.
Okay, my prince. Look, like I said, there are side talks. People have started talking already. And that is not good for you.
I've heard you. Hi, Mom.
All I'm saying is that you should be careful. Eh? You're the next to the throne. I need the supporters of the villagers. You can't let them see you as a bad person. It's not the right way to go about it.
Well, I understand you.
You know, my father used to say, "Matakili bunye ngungu na ngungu ayoche yani." It means when a child disrespects or disregards their parents, they face difficulties and regret.
Honestly, Mom, I'm lost. Did I disrespect your father?
What will you call what happened this afternoon?
What happened? What did I do?
Have I not told you to stop bringing that girl into this palace? How many times have I warned you that I do not want to see that girl anywhere close to you?
Honestly, Mom, I'm fed up. I am fed up. The same girl you're talking about happens to be my childhood friend. No emotion, no feelings, no nothing. Then you and Father came and said I should marry her. And as a child who listens to his parents, I decided to do what you asked. Now you are reprimanding me for doing what you wanted? Is that it?
Well, I said all that, but I don't want anymore.
That's the point. You come, you say one thing, you go, you come back again, you say another. I am fed up. I repeat. I am tired. Stop pushing me around. I am not a child. I'm a man, a grown man. Stop pushing me around, Mom, please. I'll be inside.
I'm not giving up on you. Never. You will have nothing to do with that girl.
Come down from your high horse, small crown no they stay for stubborn head. Now wisdom they make we respected. Video be the Jew. If a river were quiet, the deep pass. Royal road, no need too much, no. Tomorrow you fit wear the royal crown, but today.
Hi, welcome, Daddy.
Would you mind remove that thing from your ears?
Okay. I think I know that soon. What's wrong, Dad?
So why have you refused to get pregnant for the prince?
Whoa. That was just straight. Like you hit the ball, no corners. Daddy!
Don't daddy me. Answer my question.
Daddy, this is so embarrassing discussing with you. Knowing who was involved to get pregnant.
Ujungwa, I understand you very well. And not today. An issue of getting pregnant will not be a problem to you.
Daddy said I'm not pregnant. I'm not God that gives kids. Yes.
Juma, you will not understand. I want you to get pregnant for the prince because I want you to get married into that family.
Daddy, the prince is getting married to me. He has no objections about it. I make him happy.
What do you mean by you make him happy? Eh? I want you to get pregnant. I want you to be part of that family. Look, let me tell you something. If you make the prince a father, it will fasten the process. Eh? I want you to be a member of that family. You will not understand what I mean.
Then, Daddy, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Am I not trying? Just that he's not that active.
Are you telling me that his manhood is not working?
Dad, no, it does. Just that he's not that attractive to... Sometimes he's not even interested to do anything.
Ujuma,
Just no.
you have to track your ovulation period. So that you can sleep with the prince. Eh? And he gets you pregnant. I want you to be a member of that family. Look, it will favor me and you.
Okay, Dad. It's now tracking class, right? Please let me be. Let me be.
And secondly, I want you to stop smoking and drinking so that his pen will stay.
So that is it, right? No. I'm gonna leave this place for you right now. Dad, I'm going into my room. Bye. Go continue my story.
Mwaya watakunegu na bwefa. Mwakunegu akobalia balomwa.
You're a couple, right? Yes. Okay. You were posted here?
Yes, but I'm finding it hard to locate the copper's lodge.
Say no more. I'm actually going to the farm, but it's okay. It's fine. You can come with me. See, I want to someday wear this uniform. I really love it and I can't wait. I'll show you where the copper's lodge is. And I'll help you to carry your bag.
No, it's okay. You don't have to do that. Just show me the place. I'll find my way.
Say no more. I want to help you to carry your bag. Let me help you. Copper! This way.
Okay. After you.
Yes. I hope you really enjoy your stay.
I hope so too.
What's your name?
Sorry. My name is Imama.
Copper,
What is it?
Good morning, Mom.
Who is your mom? Have I not told you to stop calling me your mother?
Well, you are here to draw my mom, as you have said. So you're my mother-in-law.
What do you want?
I'm here to say, Jidenna, my prince.
My son is still sleeping.
Whoa, by this time? No, I need to wake him up.
Hey. I don't know whatever they call you, but let me tell you, Jidenna will never ever marry you. Do you understand? So I suggest you stop coming to this house. Leave him alone so that he will do something meaningful with his life. Do you understand me?
Seriously, my queen. When I came back to this village, Jidenna wasn't doing anything with his life. So I don't see reason me leaving him. Maybe he will start up something.
That reminds me. What gave you the right to walk into the royal kitchen and then dish out orders for my cook?
Because I'm my mother-in-law. Yes, I'm a member of this household. And your second.
Get out.
Stop playing.
Get out!
I have an appointment with Jidenna. I'm very sure he's waiting for me, right?
No, he will not. Just get out this minute. Leave! The king said that.
Yes, he heard your voice and sent me.
Then I can see you're going out. Please buy something for me while you're coming back. Okay, mommy, bye.
Hello, boyfriend.
Hey, you're here. You're here already.
Come on, boyfriend.
I said you're here already. I didn't know you were going to be here this early. Now that you're here, let's quickly address an issue.
Okay, should I get the smoke or after the
Hold on to that first.
conversation? Oh, that sounds serious.
Yes.
Let me hear it.
It's about what happened between you and that girl yesterday.
Oh no. Don't tell me we are still going back there.
Hear me out. It wasn't necessary. I didn't like it.
Oh, I don't like the way she looks at you. So I have to mark my territory.
Marking your territory seems to me like bullying. You shouldn't have done that.
As soon to be queen of this kingdom, I think I have every right to do whatsoever I feel like to do.
So, how do you intend to make these people love and support your leadership?
Love, support. Nobody cares about that. The only thing we should instill in them is fear. Yes.
My father is not ruling like that. Yet, the people love and speak high of him.
Nobody cares about that now. Trust me, babe. Our tenure is going to be amazing. There's nothing like elders meeting or something like that. Serious.
Listen to me. This bullying has to stop. You have to stop this bullying. Please.
Okay, fine. If that makes you happy, I will. I'll try and control my emotions. You know, I'm trying to protect where I loved and care for. That's why.
I'm not in the mood, please.
It's been long you touched me.
I just said I'm not in the mood. Let's go downstairs and see if breakfast is served.
Should I bring the outside before we go down for the morning shift?
Meet me downstairs.
This is really dusty. Where do I get water now?
We have a man that sells borehole, but I don't think he's around now. He only comes in the evening time. So the only place you can get water now is the stream.
But I don't know my way to the stream.
It's for you to call some of these children to help you fetch water. But the problem now is they've gone to school, and most of them now, they're either in the farm or, they're just not around now.
Okay, you know what? Just give me the direction to the stream. I'll go myself. I can't wait till evening. I mean, I need to tidy up this place.
You really came here to serve. Okay, so that's fine. But the thing is, most of your coppers, when they send them here to our village, they refuse to come. They will not come. They will say my village is too far and it's not modern. They end up not coming. So,
okay, I'm guessing that's why the coppers lodge is empty. But hopefully the next batch of coppers will be assigned here.
They will not come. Oh. They will not come. Do you know the last time a copper was sent to this village? They don't used to come. Anyways, I know my mother will want to chop off my head for what I want to do. But you see me, I don't mind. I'll do anything for this cap and this uniform you're wearing. Yes. So I'll take you to my house. We'll pick up a gallon. Then I'll take you to the stream where we'll fetch water. But it's me that will fetch the water. I'll fetch it for you.
You do that for me?
Yes, now. Anything for this uniform. Anything. I can do it for this uniform.
Thank you.
Yes.
Come back! Okay, let me quickly go inside and change my slippers.
Okay. Look at them, don't look there. Just face phones. Let's go. God, I will tell you. Let's go.
Can't you see your crown prince and grace?
Good day, my prince. Good day, Ujunwa.
Come. Come close.
Good day, my prince. Good day, Ujunwa.
How dare you? How dare you call me Ujunwa? Huh?
What am I supposed to call you? Your name was Ujunwa. Queen Ujunwa. Queen, yes. But you know, yes, it's queen.
Are you stupid? Are you mad?
Jesus.
Queen to be. Wait, you slapped her because she didn't add honorifics queen to your name, which you're yet to be? I can see you're new here. Instead of asking stupid questions, why not watch and learn from her? Can't you see the way she's keeping her face to greet her prince? You should do that too. Well, yeah, you're right. I'm new here, which means he is not my prince. And I am not obliged to bow or face down when talking to him or greeting him. And from the conversation, you are yet to be his wife. So why are you demanding she calls you queen? Why are you bullying her?
My prince,
you're not saying anything. If I act now, you say I'm overreacting. You are yet to give me a response to why you slapped her. Are you that dumb? Huh? I'm soon to be his wife, so I demand respect.
oh,
Yes. And you think respect is being demanded? No, you ain't it. What do you think I'm doing? You are enforcing it, which is bullying. And that is not a good attribute for a leader. You know, it's so unfortunate and very shameful that you will be ruling alongside the prince here. You know, this village should raise up other shambles because this
gibberish behavior you just displayed now is nothing to write home about.
Hey! You can't slap her. Can't you see the uniform she's wearing? She's a government child. If you slap her, we'll have a very big problem in this business.
Take your filthy hands off me! Jidena, you're there and you're not saying anything. Huh?
You know, your prince is obviously taking notes of my lectures. I think you should do the same. Focus and learn. And lastly, with this ugly behavior of yours, you will never have one to lead. And a leader without a follower is just taking a walk. You should take my words home and dwell on that.
You're very stupid.
No, you are more stupid. Let's go.
Come on, get out! Stupid girls. Jidena, what are you looking at? Are you that high that you can't talk? You can't even defend me. Fine. Since you don't want to say anything, I'm leaving you here.
Please take it easy, slowly. Come down from your high horse, tomorrow. Life it change before up go.
My prince, is everything okay? I'm fine. Are you sure? Very sure.
Come down from your high horse, small. Crown no they stay for stubborn head. Now wisdom they make queen respected. GDO be the Jew. Even river were quiet, they deep pass. Royal road, no need too much, no. Tomorrow you fit wear the royal crown, but today make humility hold you down. Because queen where people truly love, now the one we carry peace for heart above all.
My friend, what are you doing?
There's a visitor I need to make her comfortable.
Hey! Ikokwa, please, I don't want trouble. Please now. Hey, you put us in trouble. Please.
Okay. What if we load it in the car and I'll take you home?
No, please. That won't be necessary. I'll pass. What is it? You're just complaining now that you see everything. You need to, you will not pass anything. Because, no, please. Because at the end of the day, if you don't let me help you now, I'll be the one to carry you and this guy. I don't want it. Please, let me go. My please. Please. I'm not going. What's your problem? I don't need your help. Thank you.
She needs it.
Please, Papa, go with you. Rainy, sit time. I don't understand. You're going with me.
No, me? I'm going to my house. I will have to go to my mother's farm. Besides, my house is not too far from there. I will meet you. I will meet up with you later. Let me help you.
There's no way I'm leaving here without you. I can't go with you.
Nothing is going to happen to you. Whatever you're scared of, it's not like that. It's only like that with his wife. Hey!
It's fine. Listen, I'm not going to hurt you, okay? I promise. Take a look around. People are watching. Okay, so relax. Feel free. Let me get you home.
Just so you know, I just want to test this with my friend, telling her everything that's happened. So in case you have any mission, any funny thing about the mission now.
Papa, you are too security conscious. Nothing is going to happen to you. Please.
Shall we?
Dad.
Yes. Ujung. How did he go? How did he go?
Dad, he's so annoying. I'm still trying to discipline, control, and take power over this subject. But he's not even getting my back. So annoying.
I don't understand you. How? Eh? Was it what I asked you to go and do this morning? I'm asking you. Eh? Look, I don't care about your subject or what. You cannot instill fear into him if you don't do what I ask you to do.
Dad, I tried, but he refused.
He refused.
Yes.
You tried what? He refused. Eh? But if it's to go out there and open your legs for those lunatics, those criminals out there, you will find it joy. But go and do something. Get something.
I don't understand you. Where's all these insults coming from? Do you want me to rape him? Should I rape him for you? The man said no. Will I force him? He said no. His no is no, Dad. Please.
You rape him. Look, you have to try harder. Eh? Look, get him to sleep with you. Even if he doesn't get you pregnant, I will say he did. Yes, I will say he's responsible. Yes, he got you pregnant. And you know, I will convince others to believe, to support me.
Dad, I don't think Jidena is attracted to me. I don't even know why he agreed to his father's deal. See, Dad, the only time Jidena had intercourse with me was when he was drunk.
Then get him drunk! Get him drunk! After all, the two of you are good in smoking and drinking. Get him drunk!
That's what I tried doing today. But he changed everything. He said we should go out and take some fresh air. We got there. Before one stupid girl from nowhere came out with one NYSC girl like that. And they started their...
Ujunwa, I don't care of any NYSC. You know, you should do anything to seduce him. Let him sleep you. Get you pregnant. That's the only thing I want from you. Don't come back here and tell me you did not succeed. NYC. How will it be that another girl want to chance you out? Don't come back here with that nasty story again.
I've had you. I will try. I don't even know why no one wants to hear my expression on what that girl did to me today. That stupid girl. Wait. Jidena watched me walk all through here. He didn't come after me. I'm going back to the house.
That's why he's already.
Is that your way of actually impacting
Oh my goodness. Why are you like this? No, I just wanted to know why you want to stay here. Hey, what if I make an arrangement for a better place? Yes.
So your wife will have a valid reason to slap me.
I'm not married.
But I do not care whoever she used to hear. No, you can't help me. Thank you.
Can we go inside? Let me help you with anything.
No, we can't.
Can I visit sometimes?
No.
Can I get your number?
No.
What about your name?
Mr. Prince. Mr. Prince, that is none of your business. You know what? Thank you so much for helping me. I have to go inside now. I have a lot of things to do.
What?
Nothing really. But I think this is the first time in a long time I'm seeing a genuine smile from you.
I want her to be my friend.
I don't think that's a good idea. Because of your wife.
I'm not married.
Okay, you're betrothed. You know, I think you should leave this girl alone. For a very long time, this girl has been the only couple we've had in this community. So you should let her be.
We should see to that.
I'm sorry I can't make that except with permission from my queen. I've been trying to reach her over the phone, but she's not been taking her call. Can wait a little for her feedback.
If you can't reach her, then reach the king.
The king is not also taking his calls. He went for chamber meeting, and my queen went to visit a friend.
My queen. Now tell me, who am I?
Are you that stupid?
I am the betrothed. Familiarity to conclude. Okay, like, I don't get it. Why is everyone bent on disrespecting me today? What's going on? You know what? Go in there and get me what I asked for right now.
Yeah.
Go now!
I'm sorry, I can't defy my queen's orders.
Oh. You must be very stupid. I am mad. I am stupid. Oh. Gina. Please go ahead and fix this. I asked her to get something from me, so I don't even understand what she's saying.
I am tired. I am going upstairs to rest. I don't care what's going on here.
Jidena, no matter how tired you are, at least you should know why I'm angry and why I'm shouting. And please, don't pretend as if you didn't offend me today. You watched me leave angrily. You didn't attempt to come after me. Why? Fine, where are you coming from?
I didn't offend you. You left on your own accord. And of course you know your way around. You didn't expect me to start following you everywhere. And please, you have to stop coming here to give orders, slapping these maids at me. You have to stop it. I don't like it.
But Chidina, they are my subjects. I need to slap them to put them in their places. Yes!
They are not your subjects. This is my father's palace. And they work for us. I've warned you before. I will not warn you again.
But Chidina...
Don't come close to me.
Interesting things are happening.
Don't come, my queen. I've been trying to reach you.
I know. Do you still want that? Get me the details of everything that happened here. I'll push.
Yes. I'm so sorry. I didn't have any other choice. I'm sorry I got you worried. There's no network here. I'm even talking to you now because I'm walking home. Please don't even start. I know you didn't want me to serve here, but I really don't regret coming here. Yes. Don't worry, I'll be fine. Look, I have gist for you. Do you know, something happened in school today. A girl was stained and she was looking so tacky. And guess what? She was just walking around like it's a normal thing. Thank God I had a pad in my bag. I gave it to her. And she didn't even know how to use it. Ha!
And I learned that they usually use rags, like pieces of rags for their period. That's crazy. And it got me thinking, and I want to see if I can. Hello? Can you hear me? Oh, this network is so annoying. Hello? Are you there? Papa. My God. What happened? You startled me.
What is it? I heard you talking to yourself. What happened?
I was on the phone. You do know what a phone is, right?
Yes, now I do. But I saw you. I was coming from here and I saw you holding the phone in your hands. You were not using the phone.
That's because I'm connected to this.
Oh.
So it makes the call less stressful. Yes.
I was scared though. Show me again, let me see.
You. Look at it.
Chai. Oh my God. Chai. Copper, I was going to ask you, how do you see our village? How are you managing? And how was your first day at school? I came to your school. Yes, and when I got there, they told me you had already left. I was like, hi.
That's so thoughtful, but how did you know the school I was teaching at?
This village. We only have one school. Everybody goes to the same school. Just one.
Wow. Anyways, where can I buy things in bulk? Like in a cheaper price?
Yeah, you want to buy something in bulk. Hey, it depends what you want to buy. You know, we have so many markets in this village. So what exactly do you want to buy?
Okay, I want to buy pads in bulk. I want to share to the students in school.
Pads?
Yes. Pads. You know what a pad is, right?
Now, I know what a pad is.
Okay.
But we don't use that around here. We don't use pad.
Why?
Pads. Pads are too expensive now. Who's going to have money to buy pads? Money that we've not even seen money to we used to eat food. You're saying we should use it to buy pad. What we use here is a piece of clothes. That's what we use. That's what every girl uses. You have to go.
You wash and reuse, like with your hands.
We wash it. Let me even tell you how we use it. We will cut clothes now. Fold it, put it inside. When it's full, you bring it out.
It's fine. Just tell me, where can I go get them?
I have to go with you so you will not get lost in this market or in our village. Yes, now.
Well, thank you. So when can we go? I'm looking to share it to everyone, at least every 2 months.
You want to share pads every 2 months? Copper, that's too much. Too much money. You're going to waste. Wait, Copper. Wait, is it the same money that government pays every other person that they pay to you? Now because all the coppers, they used to complain that the money is too small. And then you are here, you want to buy pads for 2 months for all the girls in this community. Copper, because see, even the last copper that came here, let me tell you, he was very kind. But you know, the money was too small. Bringing food, water, going messages for him and helping him. That's because he was a kind person, just like you. You're very nice.
Don't worry about me, I'll be fine.
Hi. I don't want you to go broke.
It's okay. I'm not complaining, I'm fine.
But wait, you give me pad too.
Akwaya?
Okay, I'll show you the place. But Copper, I'm going to tell everybody because this thing is too much. I cannot keep it as a secret. Everybody has to know that you want to give us pad.
It's okay. So when can we go? Because, I mean, something happened today in school. I saw a girl in school. She was stained and looking all tacky. So she was walking around like it's normal.
It's normal now. It's normal. Wow. Maybe it's her fault. She did not change it. She's supposed to change it, put another one. And...
No, stop. Let's go.
she will soak it inside
It's
bucket.
okay, stop explaining.
Oh, let's go. Since you will give me and I will tell everybody about it.
Miss Andy is on Thursday. Yes, it's my seed years and it's closer to the market. So I'll just go sign in, then we can take excuse and leave.
Okay, so that means I'll make excuse to my mother then.
Mama, you really do not have to do that. You know what? Why don't you come to the school? We can go to the farm so I get to know your mom and I tell her that we're going together.
Yes, that's good. You see, my mother actually likes it. She's very pleased that we're together and you're my friend. So you don't even have to come to the farm. You can come to my house.
Oh,
yes.
You know, I'm really happy that I met you. I don't know what I would have done without you.
Stop!
So, I would really love to come know your mom.
Okay. So, please, when we get to my house, can we not tell my mother what we want to buy?
Why is that?
My mother. My mother will announce to the whole villagers, even the neighboring village and the other communities, what we want to do. And at the end of the day, the part will not be enough for myself or even the friends I want to invite and the students you want to give to.
Ma, come on.
You should not tell my mother.
Look, we're buying them in bulk, so it will be enough for everyone.
Everybody?
Yes, it's okay. You can tell her.
For a while.
Wait more. I'm sure she'll be here soon. Oh, she's here.
Greetings, my friend.
Greetings. Can I talk to Milo?
Yes, you can, my friend.
All right.
I was actually about going home. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye.
So, what's going on? Did I forget anything in your car?
Yes, you did.
Are you sure? I'm not looking for anything. So if you found something, I'm certain it's not mine.
I am sure it's yours. Very sure.
Okay, so where is it?
Okay. I will bring it back soon. Can you please go change into something? Let me take you somewhere.
You know, it's always the audacity for me. Look around you. Does it look like your palace where you throw orders around? I am here on the orders of the government and not yours.
I know, and I'm not disputing that fact. Oh, okay. Can I at least walk you to your house?
No, you can't.
Now I know what you're doing. You don't want to let me into your space. Oh, tell me who you are.
Mr. Prince, it's my first day at school and I had a very hectic day. I really need to go and rest. Bye.
Did you say something?
No,
if you need something.
Of course I need something. Stupid. Huh? I've been calling. No food, no wine. It seems you guys are acting stupid today. Hello? No apologies or what?
Oh, we were busy. We didn't hear you say anything.
I need something to eat. I'm hungry.
What do you have? We have masala soup and onubo.
I don't want to swallow. Prepare me party jollof rice with beef. I'm sorry, we can't make that. The queen instructed that no food should be made in the kitchen today, aside what we already have. I'm sure she's upstairs there. Go up there and tell her I made a demand right now.
Well, she's sleeping and she wouldn't want anyone to disturb her.
Are you stupid? We are not stupid, we are just following orders. Oh. I see. Wait, is it because of what Jidena said the last time in front of you, girls? That's why both of you are not disrespecting me, right? Okay. Hey! Just count your days in this palace. Because once I'm installed, you girls will be out. Stupid girls. And who will stay here to wait for this one? Once the traditional marriage is fixed. My dear, I am out of here.
How did you even know what I have in my mind? Look at her. Most time I ask myself, don't she eat in her house?
Luton.
Every day she's hungry, she wants this, she wants that. Like, do you know why I hate her? She lacks respect. She dresses like I don't even know what. Most time if she's coming to the palace, she dresses like someone that is going to the club.
This one get future. I beg.
What is it?
Why can't I go into my father's compound?
Jidena, where are you coming back from?
I went to run an errand. What's the problem?
A whole lot of them.
First, let's start with the one you created. The way you embarrassed me in front of those maidens. Now they're not saying they can disrespect me anyhow. I want you to go in there and tell them that whosoever disrespects me will get punished.
Listen, if they disrespect you, you caused it. I live with these people, I know them. So you tell me what you did.
Wait, I have to explain myself to you, like what I did. Okay, fine. I've heard you. Where are you coming from? I've been in my house waiting for you since morning till now. Waiting for you to come and apologize to me because of what you did to me. But you didn't show up. I swallowed my pride to be here. I've been waiting for you for 4 good hours. Where are you coming from?
I hope that same thing that helped you swallow your pride and decided to come here will help you swallow it again. Okay? Don't make it look like I am the one who is turning your mood. If you must talk to me, you have to be either happy or sad.
Jidena is fine. I know couples do fight and settle, but it's okay. I'm with some smoke here. I think we can go inside, smoke, drink, and laugh over it.
Where is it?
It's in my bag. Oh shit. Yeah. So, let's go inside. Good stuff.
Yes, as if you knew I needed it.
Okay.
Okay, you have to go. So I'll see you tomorrow next. Okay?
Are you leaving me here?
Listen, I will see you some other time, please. Just go. Go.
Jidina. Ah, calm down now. Ah. Is the queen awake?
No.
Thank goodness. My dear, I have gist.
What gist? Did you see a woman with your dog and yet you refuse to let him be?
Ah, beg. What's your insult is that one now? Is it because I come to meet you in my relationship issues? Is that why you think you can insult me? I beg go.
But I've warned you, but yet you refuse to. Yet I have to insult you.
We are getting married. He go nowhere. Anyways, that is not the gist. So, my sister's friend told her that her copper friend that was sent to serve in this village is sharing parts to all the girls in the village school.
Wow, that's very thoughtful. That's good, yes.
Me, I'm waiting for the day they'll share the parts, so I will take excuse from the queen and go and partake.
Wait, does it mean that you can't buy a pad with your salary, or better still, your man cannot afford a pad?
Anyways, that's your problem. Do you know the amount of money that will save me? At least I will add that money to the money of the pad that I was meant to buy. I will add everything together and buy a very good gift for my man for our anniversary. And again, they said she'll be doing it every 2 months.
Hi, God, you are very stupid.
Your mate is using the money that government paid her to buy pad to share to students, and you're using your own to buy gifts. I feel like the same people.
Is it your business? Is it your concern? Like you do me.
I've been looking for you. I need you to make me fish pepper soup. And you get me a glass of wine. Come back. I overheard you talking with.
Man, no. We are just joking.
You were talking about a copper giving out parts.
Yes, she told me that her sister friend that was posted in this village is sharing pad for all the students in this village.
I would love to meet her. Can you make that happen?
Yes, ma. Tonight is her off. Maybe once she gets home, she will discuss that with her sister. She will be here.
Good. And remember, I told you girls, anybody that gets pregnant in this palace will be sent out of this palace without any pay.
Ma?
Get out.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I went to the farm and I lost track of time. I'm sorry.
Your mother should be at the farm now, right?
No. But she should be at home by the time we get there. So no worries.
By the time we get there.
Yes.
You sound like we are going to somewhere else first.
Yes, now. We're going to see the queen today.
The queen? Why? Does she see every copper that comes here?
No, not really, but I hope you're not going to get angry. Oh, the thing is, my mouth, I don't know. You know the thing you say you want to do for us, for our community. I now spread the good news and told everybody about it. So I'm sure it must have gotten to her ears, and that's why she wants to see you. I mean, who would not see the kind person, the kind copper that wants to do such a thing for our community? It's big now. She should see you in person.
Oh, I see.
Yes. So we'll go and see her before going to the market.
Okay.
Yes, then we'll now go to my house. Iwatago. And that's because, you know, this information, it came to me this morning. And my mother, my mother has already planned to cook for you. Plenty plans. And, hey, Copper, because, you know, please, don't eat too much, because my mother should be very sad if you don't eat her food. I know how, please.
But your mother, she shouldn't have bothered.
Eh? She should bother. Everybody in this community should bother. This good thing you want to do, everybody should bother. All hands will put it for you. Thank you. You're so funny.
The queen, is she not the prince's mother?
Hey, no, she's the one.
So we're going to his house?
Yes, now. Don't worry, oh. If you're worried, don't even bother. She's a very nice woman. In fact, the whole of their family, they are good people. Very good people. Except for the fact that I don't know why they want to marry that trouble into their household. I mean, who does that?
Okay then, but I hope the place is not too far.
It's not far. It's just very close to my house. From there, I will now walk home.
In that case, let's get going.
Hi, this way. Yes. Okay. Let me help you to carry your bag.
Okay, don't worry.
Come far.
Oma, please, I need you to set the dining for her and then let her eat also.
This is just fine. I'm not hungry.
No, you can't come to the royal house and not eat. Okay. All right. You know what? Pack the food and hand it over to the lady she came with outside.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Ma. You're practical.
You see, I wasn't even aware that we have a copper in this village until when I heard about you yesterday and your intentions to the girl. You know, usually coppers don't like coming to this village. And when you see any that agrees to come around, they do that with their whole heart. Yes, because, you know, these coppers, they usually reject coming to serve in this village. And they even plead in their office to be rejected. So, I don't know, why are you here and what is the push?
Ma, I just felt this is what service is all about. Pushing yourself even when you do not find comfort, so long as the environment is safe. And adjust and learn the cultural integration and unity that this program stands for. So when I came, I had to take it in good faith.
That's good. I am so happy. I am happy, especially on the intentions, on your intentions about the girls. You know what? I never even given it a thought.
I understand. I would have thought about it if I didn't see one of the girls staying and moving around like it's normal. And then I learned about how they go about their cycle days.
And then you're caught me that parts are really expensive. We shouldn't. From the little I've seen in this community, it's hard for people to make ends meet. So, I mean, buying that expensive part would be very hard for them. So I just thought to myself, why don't you help out in this little way? And I also want to be sharing this part a little more.
That's very thoughtful of you. Thank you. Let me ask you, how do you intend achieving that, knowing fully well that you're not being paid? You know, those things you mentioned at the pad, especially, they are expensive, quite expensive. So how do you want to foot the bill?
I have savings. I'm fine.
All right. I want to say I really like what you're doing and I want to support you.
Thank you.
It's okay. If I'm going to be available, I would love to follow you. But then we have this Queen's convention this weekend, so I wouldn't know if I'll be free. I am going to send you a driver and then assign someone to follow you, to take care of you and to guard you so that you don't get lost.
Thank you so much, Ma. I really appreciate your support. But I mean, it's okay. You don't have to come to the market with me. It's fine. Ma is there with me.
Don't worry. I am going to support you with some money. Okay? Yes.
Thank you so much, Ma. You're so kind.
Thank you. You have my responsibility. And I love this girl thing you're doing. You're just trying to promote the girl child, and that is very important in the society. Thank you so much.
I'm glad I could help. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I just hope you enjoy your stay in this village.
I hope so too. You are so positive.
Alright, I still want to say you are welcome anytime, any day. In case you need any assistance from us, do not hesitate to come. Alright?
Thank you.
See who I went in search of. Is there to see me? Wait. Were you missing me that morning that you had to come to my house straight from school?
You need to stop imagining the impossible. I came to see your mother, not you.
Why?
Well, I came to tell her to tell you to stop stalking me and stop coming to the Copper's Lodge.
Very funny. Yeah. So tell me, what did my mother say?
That she will talk to you.
I will not listen to her.
You know what happens to disobedient kids, right?
Whatever it is, let it happen to me. Okay? I cannot stop coming to see you.
Well, I need to go.
No.
Oh, why don't I take you inside and entertain you a bit, if you don't mind?
And what makes you think I wasn't entertained enough?
I never said that. I want to entertain you myself properly.
Well, your mom is a good host. And you don't come close. So thank you, but no thanks. I need to go home. I had a very hectic day.
You haven't told me your name.
Well, if you say, hey, copper, I would answer. Obviously, I'm the only copper in this village.
See you tomorrow then.
No, you won't.
Okay. I can't remember the last time I see you smiling like this.
Come on, Mom. Is there anything wrong in hanging out with my mom?
It's okay, but do you need something, and what could that be? Let me just...
I don't need anything.
Okay, all right.
That reminds me. I saw a copper while I was working in. Who is she?
Oh, her name is Igoma.
Okay.
She was actually posted here not quite long. As a matter of fact, she has not even stayed up to a week, and she wants to get into a project with the girls' school.
What kind of project?
She said she wants to buy and share some parts in the female school.
That's so thoughtful of her. So, Mom, what's your contribution?
That's why I called her here. I wanted to support her with some money and then send a driver and a card to take her to the market, because I don't think I'll be available to follow her. You know, we have the Queen's Convention meeting this week, so I won't be available to follow her.
I'll do it. I'll go with her.
You will?
Yes.
Oh no, calm down, son. Just take it easy. You don't even know where the market is. It's in the outskirts of the town.
I know. It's been long I went to the market.
It's far and straightforward.
Mom, I want to do it. I want to do it, so. Yes.
You want to do it?
Of course, I want to do it.
That's nice.
So, what's her name again?
Her name is Ihoma.
Okay. All right. See you later, Mom.
Are you sure you don't want anything?
So, Juma, finally you have decided to come out. You have been inside your room smoking out your lungs since yesterday. I was thinking you wanted to burn down my house, and I wish you were born in it.
And how will you achieve your aim? Being related to the palace.
Ujuma, it is better you are not here, and find means of you not being here. Ujuma, you are being useless to me. Useless to me.
No, Daddy.
Yes, you are being useless to me. I sent you abroad to school. You came back here empty-handed. End up in smoking different drugs. Indian name, call it whatever drugs you know, you smoke it. You cannot do anything. I only wanted you to get pregnant for that boy so that he can marry you. I want you to be married into that family. But what are you good at doing? Nothing. Smoke.
To make myself happy. See, Dad, what Jide did to me, that is unforgivable. No. Dad, I still went there to see him. I waited for him outside. I stood there for hours, Dad. He came, he left me there. Dad, I was even waiting for him to come back and say, Ujunwa, okay, fine, it's a prank. But he didn't. He meant everything, Dad. He left me there. Dad, he even left his car outside because of me. He didn't drive the car inside. So that I won't have chance to come inside the compound. He left his car outside, Dad. No. Are you telling me to go back and... No, Dad, I can't forgive him. I can't do that shit, Dad. I can't.
Look at your man. I can't forgive him. Don't you know he's a man with pride? Eh? You want him to come after you and start begging you, Ujunwa, please come back.
Yes.
That's what you expect from him.
Dad, that's what I want. I'm his betrothed, Dad.
I mean, it's not that.
Yes.
Look, I don't care how you do it. All I want is go back to that boy. Beg him. Beg him. I want you to get married into that family. I want you to be the future queen of this kingdom. Yes, that's my aim. Don't allow anything to distract you. Don't allow anything to distract you. If it's that pride, keep that pride behind you.
So that you want me to go back to him? You want me to forgive him, Dad?
Yes. Look, let me tell you, I don't know how you are going to do it. All I want from you is result. Yes. I don't want fake result. I want good result. Go back to him.
Fine. I'll go and see him this morning.
Now you're talking. Ujunwa,
Dad.
go inside and dress. Go inside. You know?
Okay, Dad. Still going with my smoke. No.
That wish is just smelling smoke.
Dad.
How can you be a future queen of this kingdom and smoke?
Dad. There is a Gen Z ruling, okay? Stop stressing yourself. I know what I'm doing. I'm coming.
Hey, I'm coming. Hey, I'm coming. I'm a comedian.
You can talk to her and woo her over. What should I do? How do I start? Where do I start? Okay, hi, I'm here again too. Now, what if she refuses to go down with me? Okay, I'll tell her it's the queen's father. Yes. By that way, she wouldn't say I'm following her around. Yes. Okay. Alright. Please.
Hi, Ben.
Why can't you knock?
What are you hiding? Something I haven't seen before, but... So, where are you going to?
It's none of your business.
You and I know you're my business. Yes. And we also know we have no business than drinking and smoking around. Waiting for your father to die so that we can take over the throne.
It's not funny.
You don't find it funny, what?
Yes.
Oh, my bad. You have to cancel where you're going to. Because I just got some pill. You need to try it out.
I am not interested.
You've not even seen or tasted it.
I said I am not interested. I will never be and can never be. I'm leaving, so see you when I come back.
Just like that. I think something is going on.
Hi, the chief is here.
You take my phone.
Good day, my dear. I'll take you around wherever you want.
The queen said if she's not able to come that she will send someone.
Am I not a person?
Are you? Because the way you were smoking with your wife the other day, you could actually pass as an exhaust.
Oh. Now I know where the hatred and attack are coming from.
Well, it's a good thing you're not the one driving.
Oh, yes.
I'd like to sit at the driver's side.
Please, I cannot sit with the prince, so I would like to sit in front, please.
Please, shall we?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'll sit in front.
Ma knew about it. Because it was a surprise, she decided to keep quiet.
Well, that's really cute.
I'm glad I made you smile.
Yeah, I won't lie, you really got me. You made me happy by doing that. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, see you around.
Yeah, see you around. And thank you again.
You're welcome. Ma, I'll talk to you later.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Ujua ezigbo mwani life no be race so make you calm down small tomorrow still.
What is it?
You know I have bad days when you start with this attitude.
I've put everything together.
And I realized it's after we met that Kappa girl. And today, I confirmed and reconfirmed that.
Wow, that's a big relief. You know, I've actually been looking for a way to address this, explain things to you. Well, here you are, with your FBI skills. Already figured that out.
Meaning?
Meaning that I am done. Juma, we have to stop this. Okay, I have found someone whom my spirit accepts. And you and I know that I accepted this because of my father and the elders. It is time for me to stand up, walk up to her and tell her how I feel.
You know you can't be serious. And what you're saying won't be possible. Yes, you know that. Because we are betrothed. Mm-hmm.
And of course, you know, I was never attracted to you physically.
Oh. Physically, not attracted to me. But you were more than on top of me.
Because I was drunk.
Oh.
And I have been avoiding to get such drunk around you again.
Chidina, you know, we know you're not being serious here. Because the earlier you snap out that illusion with that lady, the better for you. Even your father will not accept that. You know that, right? I think I'll let you rest for now. I have somewhere to go. Bye.
Please take it easy, slowly. Come down from your high horse tomorrow. Life it change before cock broke. Be your man. Future queen no day. Come down from your high horse tomorrow. Crown no day stay for stubbornness.
Yes, I had to come out to talk to you. No, there's no network in my room. Let me call you back. You know what? Just be on the phone, not hang up. What is this? Why are you in my path? Why are you in my path?
In your path? You've been in mine for days now.
What exactly are you talking about?
Who the hell do you think you are?
I am whoever I think I am. I am Ihoma. Do you have a problem with that?
I actually do. Because you just got to this village. What did you do? Showing how good you are. And pretending to be better than the rest of us. Huh?
Oh, wow. I smell inferiority. But you know what? That is a you problem and not mine. What exactly is your problem? Why are you so angry that wait, are you angry that I shared pad to the students that I teach, or that the pass didn't get to you?
I'm angry because you're in the part of my relationship with my man.
Your man?
Mm-hmm.
How did we go from pretending to share pads to talking to your man or talking about your man?
Don't play with me, girl. Huh? Why was he following you around? From going to the market to buy those pads to sharing them.
Oh. You know, your prince is actually in the right position to answer this. But obviously, you have a communication problem with him. But I'll spell it all out to you. He was acting out on the order of his mother, the queen. She couldn't make it to the event, so he was only representing her. Are you okay now? Can I go?
No.
I'm not yet satisfied. Yes, from the very first day we met him, he changed. He started acting awkward. Now tell me, what did you do to him?
Look, if you have a problem with your relationship, go and fix it and leave me out of it.
I say, now this is a warning to you. And I'm not here with a light one. You see, this place is my area and I have my men around. So they can beat it up at any time. I can see you're smart enough to leave whosoever you're on the phone with to be online. But listen to me. Watch your back. And leave my prince the hell alone. Don't play with me. Watch your back.
Hello, mommy. Don't bother about it. It's one silly girl. You just stay on the phone with me until I get home. No, it's fine. It's okay.
Mice! Mice! Mice!
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Mice!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Mice! Mice!
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Mice!
I'm sorry.
What was that?
Sorry.
What was that?
I'm so sorry. I didn't know it was you. Sorry.
Mice!
Sorry.
What was that?
Sorry, I didn't know it was you. I'm so sorry.
What was that? Ah! Mice!
Sorry.
What were you thinking walking alone without your bag in your car?
I wanted to surprise you. Because I noticed you've been avoiding me. Each time I come to your school, I send students to call you. You wouldn't answer. So today I came, you told me you already left. So I was just rushing to catch up with you. So when I saw you, I decided to grab you from behind just to surprise you. That's it.
No, see where that landed us. I'm really sorry.
Oh, great. My village is a safe place. Why are you carrying pepper spray around?
Nothing.
Don't tell me it's nothing. Suddenly you stopped replying to my chats. You started avoiding me. I thought we made up the other day. We had a long walk and we equally had a healthy conversation. So what did I do wrong?
You did not. Look, I'm here to serve for a year and I intend to live a life. If being friends with a married man would cost me my life or any part of my body, then I will avoid him.
We know I'm not married. So what are you talking about?
But the girl I met you with the other day, she came threatening me. I hear creepy noises at my window at night. I had to go sleep at Ima's place because I'm always scared. I don't sleep here anymore.
How did you know she was the one?
Because she accosted me. She threatened me to leave you alone and watch my back. I had to buy the pepper spray so I can protect myself just in case if anything happens.
Honestly, I feel so bad right now. I'm sorry about that. Okay, but I need us to establish something here. She's not my wife. Betrothed? Yes. But... it's a long story. And I am not in the right frame of mind to talk about it now. I just need to have you think about all these things.
I'm sure that was what really got her upset.
Yes, you're the reason I did what I did, but... I'll be right back.
Hold on. I hope you're not going to confront her. Please, I do not want any trouble.
Now, no, but definitely I will talk about this. Because she knows my take on matters of this kind. Why would she do anything like that? Just hold on, I'll be right back. Where's my dad? I need to speak to him.
Your daddy is having an important meeting and he doesn't want anybody to disturb him. So what is it? Tell me. I'm here.
Ujunwa is trying my patience. I need to see my dad because I am no longer interested in whatever it is he wants between Ujunwa and I. I want to cut it. I don't want it.
I agree with you on this. I stand with you. Okay? But you just have to calm down till after the meeting, okay?
It's fine. It's fine. But one more thing, I need your permission to bring her to come live with us. I'm talking about Ihoma.
Who?
The copper.
Oh, why? What happened?
Because Ujunwa is threatening to hurt her. I don't want that to happen.
All right, it's fine. As long as you're happy, it's okay with me. She can come. Can bring her.
All right, Mom. Just order one of the maids to get a room ready for her, please.
All right. All right. You just calm down, okay? Is there something I don't understand? What is going on?
Okay. That will not be necessary because you're coming with me to the palace. So take Obum inside and show him the things he can help you with.
What? Jidena, do I look like one of your subjects that you just order around? And what makes you think I would accept that?
Because I know you value your safety as much as I do.
Yes, I do. And that is the main reason I won't go with you. I mean, I'm unsafe in the first place because of you. So if I take you out, I'm good.
Even if you take me out, you're still not safe. Listen, I need you to know one thing. I am not going back to Ujunwa. And I know she will definitely come after you. Okay? I'm not going to leave you alone either. So just take Obum inside. Get your things. Let's proceed to the palace.
I don't understand. How did I get in the middle of all of this?
Because you're the reason my life is taking a positive turn and light. And I have the queen's orders too. Can we go to the palace?
Look, I'm sure the queen would understand if I don't come. Look, I'm okay with the ma. I don't want to go to the palace.
You are coming with me to the palace. Yes. And I can assure you that you will be safe there. Just pack your things. Let's go. Alright? Hold on. Abum? Come.
No, it's okay. That won't be necessary. I'll just go in and pack my things myself.
Ujua ezigbo nwanyị life no be race so make you calm down small tomorrow still dey unfold.
This is my man's house. He can't ask me that. What's she doing here this early morning?
Oh, thank goodness you know it's early morning. So what are you doing here by this time of the day? Don't you have things to do?
I do. Putting my man on tracks. Putting my man on track is what I'm supposed to do. Exactly what I'm doing.
But I have told you that I am no longer interested. Didn't I say that? How else do you want me to say it?
We say things sometimes we don't mean. That's not supposed to be an issue.
I meant it. You and I know that I meant it. If not, you won't be going about haunting someone who has done you no wrong.
She have done everything. You know that. From the very first day you saw her, you changed.
That's right. That very day, the way she spoke reminded me of who I was supposed to be, who I was meant to be. But you came into my life, you changed me, you destroyed me. Now I am trying to become a better person.
Jidina, why all these talks? Why all this talk? I'm assuring you won't come out from this. Go ask your father. This is a deal and a locked one.
I am not going to ask my father anything. This time, I stand for myself. Excuse me.
Jidina! Daddy!
Come down from your high horse, small crown no they stay for stubbornness. Now wisdom they make we respected. Chirio be the Jew. If a river were quiet, they deep pass. Royal road.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
What is it?
Daddy!
What is it?
Daddy, it's not
Did
funny
they say
again. No. Daddy.
Stop crying.
Daddy, he said he meant everything he said. That is over between us. Daddy, he's very serious. He has so many things to say.
No.
He's very serious, Daddy.
He can't be serious. He can't be serious. Don't worry. Stop crying. I will go and meet the king. Let me go and see the king. I think the king is too relaxed on this issue. The king, he has forgotten our agreement and what is at stake. Don't worry. He has to call his son to order. Just relax. Stop crying. Stop crying. You know?
Okay, Daddy, do you know the annoying part of it?
No, what is it?
I saw that same girl there. She's in the palace, Daddy.
Oh, Juma, that should not be an issue. It should not be your business. Don't worry. We have to take it one after the other. Relax. Stop crying. Let me go inside and dress to go and meet the king. You know?
Okay, go, Daddy.
Juju. Those who don't stop crying. Mama. Oh, Juju.
Daddy, be fast, oh.
Ah, no. I'm marrying him. Oh. Let me go to my room first.
Because why, please take it easy, slowly, slowly. Come down from your high horse.
Do you know who of our community? I greet you.
My king.
What is the reason for this impromptu meeting?
My king, you see, I've been patient enough. I've been expecting your call so that I can come start to plan the marriage activities of our children. See, we are running out of time. We are running out of time. Let's do this thing and they get married and start getting children. And children will fill everywhere in the palace.
Oh no, I don't think there is any need for this rush, right? I see both of them getting on very well, and I think it is proper to allow them time for proper blending before the marriage proper.
Yeah, my king, what else are they blending? They've known each other, they've met each other, they've eaten together. What else are they blending, my king? I think let's allow them to blend into the marriage. Let them get married and blend into the marriage.
But it is still very paramount that the couples get to know each other very well before getting married. Gone are the days the couples just dabble into marriage and then getting to know each other inside the marriage. It does not happen like that anymore.
I am sure if you go and wake up Chidema, call him out here, they've known each other. They've been getting along together. Tell the day was okay, let's go and get married. He's going to marry now. There's no need asking them to go and start blending again. Blend the Allah.
Well, my son is taking his rest now and he's a little bit under the weather and he wouldn't need to be disturbed. So I think we should just go ahead with this meeting with the king.
My king, you've had her. So what are you saying?
Well, I don't think there's need for us to flog the issue. I think when my son wakes up, I will discuss with him. And then if we come to agreement, we will pick a date and then communicate to you.
Okay, it's all right. Okay, you mean you pick a date. It's all right. But let it not be too far from now. And I mean, soon, they should get married. Start giving us children. I need to see my grandchildren before I join my ancestors, my king. Okay.
Do you wish to be served with anything?
Served, Queen. Call the chef or the what is it called? Or the waiter. Call welfare. Go tell them.
I will get it.
Hey, you want to serve me yourself?
Yes, I will.
Also, dear man. Hey.
My king, do you know this Onorizing Pluto? Look at the way he eats. He eats like he's dying tomorrow.
My queen, this is too harsh to be said for a man who don't know of this kingdom.
At least, if he's asked, can't he just say no? Why must he say yes all the time?
Oh no, to say no.
He eats a lot.
When you cook good food.
He should learn to say no, not every time he eats. No.
Is this not the engineering that you said is not
There's nothing wrong with my son. I just don't want him to get involved in that stupid conversation with Ono.
Now that you're here, sit down.
Dad, listen. If it's about Ujunwa and the fixing of date, I'm not interested.
So, discussion concerning Ujunwa now is not, you are not interested?
I am not interested, Dad.
Yes, you heard him. He said he's not interested.
No, please. Stop. You were party to this. Simply because you've seen she doesn't fit into the kind of wife you'll be so proud of. Now you're saying a different thing. I want you to have this ironed out with your husband. Don't involve me.
I already withdraw my blessings.
Judenna.
I stand with my son. There's nothing like, can you say it? I stand with him. Oh, my darling, you're welcome.
Thank you. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine.
Everything
It's okay.
is okay.
You're welcome. Okay, you can just go in and then fix the dining for you.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my king.
So this is the way it is now. You aligning with your son, right?
I told him.
That's no problem.
He said he's not interested.
Not interested.
I support him 100%.
So you are supporting him to disobey
I am
me.
supporting him.
To disobey me.
I don't know what you're talking about. He's not going to marry.
I thought we stopped smoking.
I'm sorry I have to say this.
It's okay. Have this instead.
You're back then?
Yeah. The students left early because they had to go farm. Harvest this year. I had to follow the crowd home until I saw them and I came back home with him.
But honestly, the person is just soft. Wasn't many here.
I think the person I saw was you. It's okay to admit your battles. I mean, every one of us have our battles. I'm a good listener. You can talk to me.
Okay, I'll tell you anything about me, about my story. Growing up, I was a very smart student. During my primary school days, I was very smart, always taking first in class. Everybody was proud of me. All the teachers were proud of me. My parents. So, I had 3 friends. Joanna, Michael, and Melinda. So after primary school, secondary school, I was still very smart. I was even teaching other students. They were all coming to me for extramural lessons. We're growing. After secondary school, I wanted to follow my education abroad. So I wanted to go there, educate more knowledge, come back here and build this village. That was the idea. So, my father and the council of elders never supported me. They said I needed to be close to the throne, I needed to be close to my father. As the only child, I cannot leave my father. I need to be here. I need to follow my father, understand what is happening around the throne. I said, okay. I was angry, I was furious. My father bought into the idea. That was how they buried my dream. That was how they destroyed everything. I said, okay, fine. I was just here a few months later. My father came back with an admission letter from one of these local universities here. Before him and the council of elders, I had to tear it. I tore it before them because I was angry. That wasn't what I wanted for myself. That wasn't. I just decided to stay here. So, a few months later again, Juma was deported. She came back. My father and the elders said, as my betrothed, I should marry her. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want it. But they forced me. But I accepted it just to teach them a lesson. Just to teach them a lesson, yes. I didn't want to do it. So I accepted to do it. In the process, she started teaching me all of this. She taught me how to smoke. She taught me drinking. She taught me everything, and that was how I became who I am. I really want to be a chief person. This is not me. I need help.
I'm really sorry that you went through all of this. But you know you can still be that man. You can still be that man you've always wanted to be. All you have to do is have the zeal to achieve all of that. There are online courses you can apply and still get that certificate. Yes, you can do it.
I can, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll just think about it. Okay, I'm going to consider it. Yes. Thank you so much. You're my kind of woman. Okay. Watching you speak that very day, like in that boldness, smartness, intelligence. I saw a leader, I saw a queen, I saw all I ever wanted in a woman.
Chilena, I've not gotten to that bridge yet. Let's focus on getting you to be that man you've always wanted to be. That is more important.
Can you help me?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. So, what are you going to do this for?
I'm going to trash it.
Can I just take it
No,
from last time?
no. You don't need this. No, we'll just finish up everything, okay? It's okay, everything will be fine. Okay? I will trash this.
Well, I didn't mean to eavesdrop, even though I like to put my ears to the ground to know everything that happens around here. I overheard you and my son talking.
Ma, whatever you heard him say came from how overwhelming his emotions were. And
I've really sat down and thought about it. We have not been fair to him. From enforcing the toys I want for him to his outfit, everything. I mean, I love him so much. I wanted the best for him. I even forgot that he's a grown man and he has a mind of his own and will want to make choice. I want to say thank you. I heard the plans of you trying to make him go back to himself and be useful with his life. I'm grateful.
It's okay, Ma. You don't have to thank me. It's all God.
You see that girl that came into the picture? I actually endorsed her without knowing the kind of dirty life she lives and all that. So when I tried stopping her from coming close to my son, he rebelled against me for the first time. It was just today that I get to find out that he did all that to punish me, rather to teach me a lesson. And I've learned. I'm grateful you came into the picture. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ma. I really hope it works because I've heard so many good things about him from the villagers and from Mama. I really wish to meet that man.
Do you know, with all this thing that is happening, it is now beginning to make sense to me. From when he came to me to plead to me to allow him follow you to the market and share the bags, you know, and secondly, he pleaded that I should let you come in and stay with us in the palace. Oh, now everything is beginning to make sense. Honestly, it wasn't as if I was actually busy that day, but because he came to me and he demanded, you know, somebody who I thought has given up on me, that, you know, he doesn't want anything to do with me, no bond and things like that. And suddenly he came and he has a demand. So I am happy. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, Ma, we are not an item yet. We're still focusing on getting him to be a better man.
I know. But I just pray and hope you give him a chance. Okay? Because if you do not give him a chance, he will run back to that mad girl. That girl that almost ruined his life and turned him to an addict. Please, I know with time you will get to know him and love him. Everything is just playing before me. How come I didn't know all this? How come I didn't see the handwriting on the wall? Or am I that old to see the letters?
Come on, Ma, you know you're not that old. I believe everything will be fine.
I hope so.
Yes,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm really glad I died.
I need you to prepare because I've picked a date for our son's traditional ceremony.
But my king, Jidenna already made himself clear.
I don't care. I don't care what Jide wants or what he says. What must be done, and that is final.
No, my king. Marriage is not by force. You want our son to be committed to a lifetime of penury, all in the name of marriage? No, my king, I stand by him this time, and that is final.
My queen, you have to make him understand, or something will get spoiled.
Whatever it is, let it spoil. I dare it to spoil. I dare whatever it is to happen. What is it? Is marriage by force? My son is not going to marry that girl, and that is final. My king, do you even want to... Do you listen to yourself? Can't you see? So you want our son to marry a girl that is mannerless, senseless and useless? Is that what you want for your son? A girl that can smoke and drink from now to the next dawn. Is that what you want? Let me even ask you, my king. Is there a part that our son will marry the Onowo's daughter? Where? How? My king, my son will not marry her, and that is final. And do you want my son to end his life with a Jezebel like that girl? No, it's not going to happen.
My queen, you are talking as if I am happy seeing our son marry that girl. No. But something that must be done has to be done. It has to be done. He must. Yes. My hands are tied. I cannot help it. I'm not a woman. I am sorry to disappoint you. I have decided that wedding will not hold anymore.
My king, what gave you that confidence that the marriage will not hold? Have you forgotten our agreement?
I know.
Eh?
I have not.
And where is this confidence coming from?
From here.
My king, you told her.
Of course, yes. He told me I'm his wife and he is my husband. My king, you can tell me whatever it is. I promise to stand by you and we will find a way out of this. Did you kill someone? Good. Death is the only thing that is irreversible. My king, I promise to stand solidly behind you in this.
Yes, my king.
You know, honestly, I'm not too comfortable with this situation. I'm bored. I don't know why the governor had to shift this meeting.
Is it why you're bored? Yeah. After all, they are taking good care of us. We are not spending anything.
As if we are beggars.
No, we are not beggars, my king. We only take on our money.
There is nothing as good as one being in comfort of his own.
Yes, but even if, since they say the meeting is tomorrow, then let us be patient for tomorrow.
Well, I hope they don't shift it again. Are you expecting anybody?
Yes. I asked them to bring more of this drink. More of the drink of good whiskey.
Yeah, come in.
Ujuma.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, actually, my king. She called me and that she's with her friends in town. So I now told her where we are. So she now decided to come and greet us. So how are you?
I'm fine.
So what of your friend and you?
You're fine.
You're fine?
Yeah.
That's good. Hi, Ujuma. Hey, yes. She said she came in there. I think yesterday or the day before.
Yes, yesterday.
Okay, yes, yesterday. My king, you're welcome, eh?
This
You're
daughter
welcome.
is grown up.
Yes.
Very mature. She's right for marriage, you know?
Yes, my king, yes, my king.
Very soon.
Yes.
We will drink.
My king, let me go and get something for her to drink and eat. What, meat or chicken or what?
Dad, don't stress yourself. Just give me your card.
No, don't worry. Okay, man. Give you my card. Hey! You want to finish the
Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry of going?
No, I'm not in a hurry. I'm sure she needs something to
You really want to?
Yes, I need
So,
something.
is it chicken?
Hey!
What
You are spoiling this your daughter.
I'm not. She's only
Bring everything
daughter.
for me.
My only daughter.
Exactly.
Hey, you get what?
He said, bring.
Everything. Put the chicken, the Kobe, packets and cow.
I forgot, sorry.
No, Dad. Bring it.
Okay, now go ahead.
Okay, Dad, I'm waiting.
Okay.
Oh, my king. You see that I'm big now, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you're big. Look at the endowment. You're endowed front-wise, endowed at the backyard.
I'm no more a child. Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You can confirm it.
Can you give me?
Okay, my friend.
I like what I'm saying.
I told you I'm not a child. Yeah.
Well,
Can I help you?
no. These things are prohibited for girls. I will remove it myself.
Okay, my friend.
What's going on here?
My king, you say what is going on here? My king, I left my daughter under your care to go and get something, only for me to come back. I saw my daughter lying down on your bed.
No. I don't know what happened. Honestly, I don't know what happened.
How will you say you don't know what happened? My king, how will you say you don't know what happened? Look, my king, now that you've seen my daughter's nakedness, and she has seen your own, I suggest you make her your second wife.
No, I told you I don't know what happened. You have to believe me.
It's alright.
I don't know what happened.
Okay, you don't know what happened. No one, I will, before the council meeting, you have to explain it to them. Have the evidence. Yes.
You see, you see, I cannot marry her. You know, and the reason is because I took an oath. I promised my wife after she had that surgery that removed her womb that I'm not going to marry any other woman. I even swore with my staff that if I ever did, then my chi strike me. If I do that, I definitely will die. So please, let me pay her off. Yes.
Did I hear you say pay her off? So you are now referring my daughter as a prostitute. You know, you're referring my daughter as a prostitute. You want to pay her off. Well, Widow, since you said you had an oath with your staff and your chi that if you marry another woman, you die. Okay, I suggest, why don't you talk to your son to marry my daughter so that your chi will not kill you. Adeside.
I think that can work.
Why? My king, eze ebu n'afọ Iburikiri.
You know, my son listens to me. I think it can work.
It's a deal.
Yes, it's a deal, but
what's the problem?
It has to remain between us.
Bam.
My wife should not know anything about it.
Bam.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Good.
Igwe. Ogo. Ogo. Don't.
From everything my husband told me, I saw a lot of inconsistency in what happened the other day. From all indication, if you ask me, I would say you drugged my husband.
No! He raped my daughter. Yes, he was horny. And when he took those drinks, he became more horny and raped my daughter.
If you did not plan it, why did you not come back immediately from wherever place you went to? Why did you have to waste a lot of time before coming back?
You see, when I went downstairs to get some drinks, I met some of my friends. So we started gisting. Yes.
You met your friends suddenly? Really? You went down and you suddenly met your friends and you were gisting. Does that make you a good father? Leaving your daughter to someone, to a man who is not related to you in any way, not even by blood. And you call yourself a good father. Listen, I know my husband too well. I know he drinks a lot. Even at that, it takes me time to get him to perform his conjugal duties. So, from all indication, you planned it. And if you think I'm lying, look at me into the face and tell me it's not true. and be ready to stand before the court of law to defend yourself.
Abamako na-eme udo na-eme ezumezu mmụọ na-etu ijele dike na igbo ogwu ọkwamụ nwa olewu ka ịgbalụ mgbacha agba igwe weta aka ka anyị zọwebe egwu a sị na kịtịkpa na-agba ụchụ ada agba mmụọ na-agba ogoro na-ede egwu mana mgbe oge ga-eruo otu igbalagba tie kie. My daughter, let's go.
Leave!
My king!
Leave!
You hear from me. Let's go!
Get out, please! Take your filthy daughter out of my house!
Leave! Don't worry!
How can you set your daughter up before father and son?
No.
Rubbish!
What is it?
Oh my love. Don't worry, everything is being handled. You just run along with her.
Oh, okay. You're sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Everything is fine, no problem.
Okay, Dad.
It's okay, it's okay, everything is fine.
He's gone.
Let me see his useless left leg in Alasiki.
My queen, this Onowu has dealt with me. He has blackmailed me to such an extent that I hardly can act.
Don't worry.
Thank you for forgiving me. Thank you very much.
That's why I'm your wife. I promise that I am going to stand beside you solidly, and that is what I'm just doing. Come rain, come sunshine, I will forever stand by you. You're my husband.
Thank you.
And you know I love you.
I love you too.
And let me tell you something. Sex enhancement is not good for your old age. Hope you know that.
So you know about this all this while?
Why did you not tell me all this while? You were hiding
I
it.
am suspecting.
I'm so happy. It's finally over.
Yes.
So you passed out today?
Congratulations.
Yes.
Oh,
Thank
wow.
you. Thank you. Thank you, my friends. I also want to say a very big thank you to everyone for your hospitality. You housed me for months and I'm really, really grateful. Thank you.
We are family. It's not a problem. It's not a big deal.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my friend.
You can go and sit down.
Dad, Mom, first off, I want to appreciate Ihoma for all she did for me. Yes. She brought me luck. She came into my life and changed me in every sense. Take a look at me. I have started my own business and it's booming. Everything is going well. And in all of this, I have her to thank. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're a blessing to me.
I'm glad I could help.
So in appreciation for this, Dad, Mom, permit me to officially ask Ihoma to be my queen. Please.
Wow! That's great!
I want you to be my wife. Don't say no. Just say yes and we shall proceed for my father's blessing.
Yes.
That is great, that is great. Oh, I'm so happy.
Thank you, my daughter, because the change I see in my son is so visible. At least you can see that he now dresses in Prince apparel instead of those rugged jeans. So I thank you especially for that. And myself and my queen, we approve of this marriage, and we give our blessings, and we say it shall be well with both of you. They said, he who finds a wife, pain and obtain favor
from the Lord.
Both of you will bear children, male and female. You will train your children, and your children will train you. Both of you will be alive to take over this throne when I must have joined my ancestors. And you will rule well as a king and also as a queen. May it be so.
Thank you, my king.
You're blessed.
I thought you asked them to cook or something.
Yes, of course. The dining. You guys go and set the table. Go and set the dining.
Wow.
We shall celebrate.
Get those choice wine. Eh?
Do you want me to hold you?
Ujua ezigbo nwanyị, life in no be race, so make you calm down small, tomorrow still dey unfold. Oh, Ujua, why you dey form like queen already? Palace gate never open fully because Prince hold your hand for party. No mean say crown don't reach your head completely. People were humble, now them they shine long. Life is